Hey, hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and we are back again with another unboxing here. Here we have another package, and let's see what surprise we have for today. As usual, this package looks really premium, and we had a similar brand's package on our channel earlier, and I hope you got that right. Yes, we have it from OnePlus again. What is it inside now? Right, without any further ado, let's get into it and see what we got in there. Right now we are going to peel it and see what is inside the content. And here we are. Here we have the new OnePlus earphones. But this is not the normal earphones, but there is a slight twist. We are nowadays see a surge in removal of earphone jacks on the mobiles with each and every mobile phones. It's quite a tough and irritating way of using your earphone connector to connect to earphones with the Type-C jacks. I personally feel this is really an exasperating way of connecting your earphones to your mobile. So I was searching for a way to make things better. That's where I found this earphones, and this is, yes, your Type-C earphones from OnePlus brand. That's interesting, right? So let's peel this cover and unbox this right away. This package is ordered directly from OnePlus website, and of course, as I said in my previous video, OnePlus package is always top notch. Similarly, this one is in line with that. Okay, so let's peel this wrap and see the contents of this earphones. In this video, we will cover both the unboxing and the review of my experience using those earphones. We do see the earphone itself and some various size earbuds. OnePlus always produces premium package and the contents really looks premium. So on using these earphones for more than 3 months, here is my review. This has an attractive design. This looks similar to the Bullet's V2 that is enclosed with a beautiful matte finish metal housing that looks really premium. This comes with 1.15 meter of cable length and weighs around 14 grams and lacks waterproof certification. To me, the cable is quite tangle free, but it does get entangled sometimes. The buttons on the earphones are smooth to control the playback, calls and volume. It is durable as well, and the build quality is really good, and this is really likable to most. And this is one of the sturdy earphone with the Type-C connector that doesn't get off anytime soon. So here are the pros on using this earphone. The audio quality is clear. There is less noise during the calls, and call quality is also pretty decent compared to V2 bullets. The mid bass is pretty decent, however the high bass is not that great. They have a good response and more pleasant when it comes to audio. The noise cancellation feature is also good and seems not to have a great issue at this price range. The recording do capture the noise on the background, which adds up to a limitation. Coming to the cons, I did experience an issue which has been reported in Bullets V2. The comfort level is quite not great that much, and it seems to be quite stressed when used for long hours. The experience with this dedicated headphone jack is not the same as with the Type-C connector, as plugging and unplugging often causes wear and tear trouble issues that will eventually run out the connector's life while charging. The compatibility of this earphone works with most of the device except with some older device, but this is a go-to option when it comes to using it without a 3.5 mm jack to a USB-C type connector and compromising with the bass heads. This is really a great option with clear sound quality and will definitely please those who love to use subtle audio quality and not a fan of that boom boom effect. And of course, you can't use the earphones while you're charging. That's really awful because, and of course, we have to compromise. Overall, this is one good thing that happened, and it is better to have it for casual usage, and it has a good aesthetics and pretty decent audio quality and pretty much good value for money too. That's all for this video today. Likes and subs for this channel. Hit the bell icon for instant notification. Until then, see you guys next time.